I want to tell you about something that's really fun to do. A lot of people are starting to do it these days. Thrift store shopping. You've got to go. I started going thrift store shopping with my mom. In fact, that's how I grew up. We would go to thrift stores all over the place through the DC metropolitan area. And there was this one particular place where I went where it was close to school and everything. And back then it was not cool to go to thrift stores. Well, I would duck in and, I would be really excited about being there because you could always find really great stuff. But I didn't like to tell my friends about it. But now I'm telling you, you have got to try thrift store shopping. I found some of the best things there. And I'll tell you a little secret, about 50% of my wardrobe is from the thrift store. And what does that mean? 50% of the stuff I wear is designer label stuff. I'm not kidding. And some of the stuff is like just wonderful quality that, hardly anyone's even worn. So I really, really want to stress that you need to try out thrift store shopping. Where I grew up, it wasn't like the best thing to do or whatever, but these days, you see those shows like Antiques Roadshow. Well, you can do the same thing at thrift stores, not only with clothing, but with like articles of different collector items you can find. There's different knickknacks. You never know how much something is worth. So that's another reason that you really need to try out thrift store shopping. Some of my best buys have been, let's see, there's the cashmere coat that I got from Oleg. It's an Oleg Cassini cashmere black coat. Beautiful. Actually, my mother found that one. But it was $10. And let's see, one of my other really great buys was a chocolate brown suede coat. No damage whatsoever. It's beautiful. And what was that? It was like $15. And recently I got these pair of boots, and they were like, I think $6.95. You really have got to try it. I know when I walk into the store, my blood pressure goes down about 10 points, I'm sure, just because I enjoy doing it. If you're a type of person who wants to find something and you're looking for a particular thing, it might not be a good idea. But if you've got a little bit of time and you just like to do a little bit of treasure hunting, then you might want to go ahead and go to your nearest thrift store. I'm telling you, if you just open your mind a little bit, you won't be disappointed.